Me a shot, you tell you.
Last I cried, I'm watching Crash as a 60 young woman.
I'm an come on. iPhone, I'm sure why.
My fellow countrymen and women, it is with a profoundly heavy heart that I address you tonight. Yesterday, a tragic helicopter crash in Adansie Krofom claimed the lives of 8 cherished members of our Ghanaian family. The victims of this accident include 5 passengers and 3 dedicated members of the Ghana Armed Forces. Among them were Dr. Edward Kofi Omaniboama, Minister for Defense; Alhaji Dr. Murtala Muhammad, Member of Parliament for Tamale Central and Minister for Environment, Science and Technology; Alhaji Muniru Mohammed Limuna, Acting Deputy National Security Coordinator; Samuel Sapo, Vice Chairman of the National Democratic Congress; Samuel Abuaje, Deputy Director General of NADMO; and Squadron Leader Peter Anala of the Ghana Air Force, Flying Officer Chum Ampedu of the Ghana Air Force, and Sergeant Ernest Ado, also of the Ghana Air Force. This tragedy represents a deep personal loss for me. I shared a close bond with many of those individuals who died. Our nation is grieving, and on behalf of the government and the people of Ghana, I extend my deepest condolences to their families, friends, and their loved ones. Know that our entire country mourns with you. We share your pain. Your loss is our loss. A loss of dedicated public servants, intellectuals, and individuals who tirelessly work for a better Ghana. These 8 individuals dedicated their lives to Ghana's progress. That their final moments were spent in service is a testament to their unwavering commitment. We have lost some of our nation's brightest minds, and this is a moment of shared heartbreak, a time to reflect on the preciousness of life, the sacrifices of public service, and our gratitude for those who dedicate themselves to the well-being of our fellow citizens. Squadron Leader Anala, Flying Officer Ampedu, and Sergeant Ado were dedicated members of our Air Force, embodying the best of their profession. Alhaji Muniru Mohammed Limuna was a humble yet effective public servant. Samuel Sapong was a respected statesman, and Mr. Samuel Abuaje was a promising young leader. Dr. Omaniboama was a brilliant and dedicated leader, and Alhaji Dr. Murtala Mohammed was a passionate voice for his constituents and a champion for environmental stewardship. These gallant men each served Ghana with distinction. And as we mourn, questions about the cause of this tragedy are only natural and important. And I want to assure the families and the nation that the Ghana Armed Forces has initiated a full and transparent investigation of the crash. An investigative board of inquiry has been set up to investigate the cause of the crash. The flight data and cockpit voice recorders have both been retrieved. All 8 of the bodies of our departed comrades have been retrieved, and the government is in close touch with the bereaved families about identification of the bodies and final interment. In this moment of national grief, let us remember that we are above all Ghanaians, united not just by our nationality, but by our shared hope, our shared humanity, and now our shared sorrow. Let us set aside our differences and offer our collective compassion to the bereaved families. This is not a time for division, speculation, or political point scoring. It is a time for strength, for empathy, and for the enduring Ghanaian spirit that still stands tall when all else has failed. Let our words be of comfort, our actions be of kindness, and our unity be the tribute we offer to those whose lives have been lost. to the families, to the Ghana Armed Forces, to the ministries and departments that have lost dedicated staff, and to the National Democratic Congress, which mourns the passing of valued members. May you find strength in their memory and their legacy. May we all be comforted by the knowledge that though they are gone from our sight, they remain forever in the spirit of the nation they so faithfully served. On Saturday, 9th August at 5 p.m., the nation will gather at the forecourt of the State House for an evening of reflection and memorial in honor of our departed colleagues. Books of condolences will be opened simultaneously at the Ministry of Defense, the Ministry of Environment, Science and Technology, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the Ghana Armed Forces headquarters, and the National Democratic Congress headquarters, and also the head office of NADMO from Sunday 10th August to Thursday 14th August. On Friday 15th August, an interdenominational state funeral will be held for the 8 heroes at the Black Star Square. My brothers and sisters, my fellow countrymen and women, may God bless their souls, and may God bless our homeland Ghana.
If any million say, so yes, it's what about me said, what I'm saying. Parrot, see here, don't go to school, see here. Because my kids have story, no, could be soon. See, I'm saying, one of brothers, what mommy, why pay? Oh, mommy, what pay them? Yes, yeah, just so. Oh, the winner said, what about one light, wires, you know? Owura se asa owura se apen odan ni fa be bia me direct no ohun se park ne down na ni oba ya apen obeso na ni edom ni ye di ye play aba ho play ya tietie mu ti no de ye ni ji ni ji na wo mu ba be say me so fe be getting to 11 time e no mba fe wo mba ya anche bia no mu ye ko o mu jina ha be say 12:50 or so say no mu tuye Tom Chenya didn't bye any bad 30 minutes time. The chance as a case be as a case may I say. Plenty 2 has a say and a couple diem. Emma, Omashi. In fact, any antibacco and what he had ordered hold to for more summoning no. The creek in Federal Yas, I say, you my yes, I'm a soldier for me. Tina Busami and the Atiano Noya. I'm not the energy crane motor. Okay. Assemble for me can say, yes, sorry, I see a prayer public. Oh my Ghana, ye, now my Ghana, dear. Oh, can't you have us on public? It's in your make catch of my Ghana, you say. Ye hear me, half court. See a perform Payama or my Ghana bed at the Cosso. And you may cost you, Obiga said, Obiti be bomb by BBC. BBC and SC. And you pass one of them. And you need your army. You bet me at night on my Ghana with that no prayer say, Yan Penny for no, or because of more by my president, Mahama. It's as a fan of Mahama. Into the open way, Daddy, or mine dear, now be dear. It you solid or mine, and me, I can only say, baby, or mine, can also bear day. What to be? So my year, what you may cost to weigh upon permanent year. Hear this over catch of Banner said, to one go baby, is that so to any away, to any away, to any away. To put me in free, no, young father, I see you, who said, go back down for no Obasoya, Payam, or mining, or presidents, and Passa, the issue at the Amubia, the Mobia Yako, 1 hour, one go for every free. Obia Yako, we some holiday, Napuya Media, when you hear me. Yankee come on to you. Oh my Ghana, I am going to show you.